2024ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಆಡಳಿತ ವಿಧೇಯಕವನ್ನು ಪರ್ಯಾಲೋಚಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
The Greater Bengaluru Governance Bill 2024 has been passed in the Legislative Assembly with minor amendments. Initially cleared in both houses, the bill was reintroduced in the Assembly for approval of certain changes. Presenting the bill, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar stated that BJP MLA Ashwathnarayan had raised concerns about factories during earlier discussions. Following deliberations with the Industries and Commerce Minister, it was decided to mandate prior approvals from planning authorities while drafting the master plan. Additionally, industries will now be required to consult local bodies. Another key amendment involves the selection process for ward committee members. 7 members will now be chosen through a lottery system. With these modifications, the bill secured Assembly approval.